So a while ago, I picked this up from my local Target. It's by OhSnap, and it is their phone grip. I got it in the silver fox color. I did a full video review of this. You can find it here on the channel, and I'll link to it in the description down below. And I got to admit, this is probably one of the best accessory purchases that I've ever made for my iPhone. No exaggeration. However, with that being said, for some of you, the stand capabilities of this could be a little bit limiting. And so, you know what? That's where this comes in, because OhSnap now has a new version of their grip, and it's the all-new stand version. Comes in about 4 different colors, at least at the time of this video. I'm sure they're going to make more. And it basically does everything that the original grip does and then some. It still has an Android kit in the back of this package here. So if your phone doesn't have magnets or support MagSafe, you can still use this with the adapter kit. And as far as size and weight goes, well, from a weight perspective, the original came in on my scale at 17 grams, and the new version comes in at 27 grams. So very minimal difference in weight, and in practical use, I cannot feel the difference. I really can't. So that's a good thing. As far as size goes, and let me kind of align this. I'm getting the magnet upon magnet force, so it's kind of doing that weird thing where it moves around. But you can see this whole area remains the same. The only difference is the stand portion that's going to be different here. From a thinness perspective, it maintains the same thinness as well. And then as far as the backside with your magnets, there is one thing I want to call out that's a little bit different. They both have the plastic membrane over this area here, so that when you spin this around, this is not going to be going in a circle, rubbing against your case or your phone. I really like that. But the difference is the magnets. And what I mean by that is on the original, the magnets were uncovered. I suspect because you didn't really need to move this thing around. You just kind of stuck it and then removed it when you wanted to charge. But with this one, there's a real thin plastic membrane all around the magnets here and here. And I presume that that's so it makes it easier to swivel it when you want to go from landscape to portrait mode. Aside from that, everything else remains the same. You still get the same magnet strength. You still get the same features. I'll demonstrate for you in a minute. And you also get the dual magnet action, meaning it attaches to your phone, but then if you put this up against something that is metal, it's going to stick to it. So that's great for being in the gym or getting some creative shots or things like that. So let's go ahead and slap this on, and I'll give you a demo of all the features it has. So with my phone in view, I'm just going to pop it on just like that. And because it has the extra magnet here, and at least with MagSafe, it's going to align perfectly. You can kind of see how it can swivel here with a little bit of resistance, just enough. But you're going to feel it kind of snap into place there in alignment with the magnet. So in this position, it's going to be perfectly aligned every single time. All of the features from the original grip are there. So you have these 2 little raised areas. You're going to push to raise one area up, and then you can open this up. You can use it just like this. You can spin it around. You can put a finger through the middle and use it just like this. You can still spin it around. So that's great. And then of course you can close it up just like that. Now, here's where the original was a little bit lacking for some people. You can still pop this into its little groove right there. There's also one here, and that gives you 2 built-in stand modes, one like this, and then you could spin this around. I find that it's more stable if you spin it this way and put it in a position like that. So those are the 2 stands that you get with this, but they also transfer over to this. Now, the big benefit here, of course, it's all made out of CNC aluminum and then plastic here. This is the big bonus with this. This pops down, and this is all CNC aluminum, and you pretty much get infinite angles here. So portrait and landscape, and you can see I can move this into different positions. It's going to hold really well. If I'm tapping, it's not sliding down. And it's just fantastic. And then as far as switching it over, all you got to do is kind of slide it like this. And that's why I think that plastic membrane's on the inside. And then you're going to pop this open. And now we get a stand for viewing videos or pretty much whatever you want to do. And same thing goes here. You can adjust it as you see fit. Now, you can also turn this all the way around, and then you can get creative, set it down, hit record, do some video recording while this is stabilized, just like that. And when you're all done, you're just going to flip this around, close it up, slide it back into position, and away you go. So there you have it. We had the original phone grip by OhSnap. They've improved upon it and made everything better with the all-new stand version. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. This is now my new go-to. I'm sure I'm still going to use this, but this is going to be on my phone from here on out. Of course, you do have to remove this to do charging. Not a problem. Removes really easily, just like that. Pop it back on and you're good to go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'd love to hear it. Otherwise, take care, everybody, and have fun.